Conquista house by David Guerra Arquitetura e Interiors in ROLândia, Brazil. The owner of a soy farm in the state of Paraná, Brazil, decided to build a brand new house. The old one had been through 2 interventions already, and had the wooden structure compromised. The idea was that the new structure referred to the old one, which belonged to her parents. Looking for architects, the client, who also graduated in architecture, found and identified with the work of our office. Still in the middle of the pandemic, all communication was kept by phone or internet. With flights being resumed, a first meeting was scheduled on-site. The goal was to define the insertion of the new building in the garden, cultivated for more than 30 years by the owner, an enthusiast for landscape architecture. The project should emphasize the gardens and the landscape. A lake and a centenary fig contour the entrance. Besides the highlight given to nature, one of the requests was that the residents should have one plan only, a large roof, like the colonial farms, abundant lighting, and crossed ventilation. Other questions guided the creative process. The implantation elevated the house to provide a view of the river on the bottom of the terrain, but also to preserve the pool location, changing only the deck's floor, as well as the workshop, garages, and leisure space. That way, the construction would be fast to impact the gardens and other buildings as little as possible. The tall right foot brings amplitude, and the large balcony connects the kitchen, the dining room, the living room, the office, and the 4 bedrooms. This balcony invites the landscape to contemplation.